Have you ever felt this way? You want to achieve something big. You dream about success. You imagine a better life. But when it's time to act, you delay. You say, tomorrow. If you have ever been ambitious but lazy, then this story is for you. It may change how you see your life forever. Friends, listen carefully, because by the end of this story, we will learn some new words and how to use them in sentences. This will help us practice English in a fun and easy way. So, stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a hard-working farmer named Mohan. He was strong, healthy, and full of dreams. He often told his friends, "One day, I will be the richest farmer in this village. My field will shine golden with crops. People will come to me for advice, and I will be respected everywhere." Everyone in the village admired his ambition. But there was one problem. He was lazy. When the sun rose, other farmers went to the fields. He stayed in bed. When the village men worked under the hot sun, he sat in the shade, talking about his dreams. When the women carried water from the well, he said, "I will do it later." He always had big plans, but no action. He loved to imagine success, but he hated to do the hard work that success needed. One evening, Mohan's uncle, an old and wise farmer, came to visit him. The uncle looked at Mohan's empty field. The land was rich, but nothing was growing. He said, "Mohan, my son, why is your land empty? You talk about golden crops, but I see only dry soil." Mohan laughed. "Uncle, don't worry. I will start tomorrow. My field will be the best. Just wait and see." The old man sighed. He had heard this "tomorrow" many times before. So he decided to teach Mohan a lesson. The uncle took 2 small bags from his pocket. Inside were 2 different seeds. He gave them to Mohan and said, "These are not ordinary seeds. They are magic seeds. The first one is the ambition seed. If you plant it and water it every day, it will grow into a tree that gives fruit, shade, and wealth. The second one is the laziness seed. If you plant it, it will grow fast, but it will spread weeds across your whole field. It will destroy everything else. Now, Mohan, both seeds are in your hands. The future of your field and your life depends on which one you care for." Mohan looked at the 2 seeds, one for ambition, one for laziness. He thought, "Of course, I will plant the ambition seed. I want success." But when the morning came, Mohan felt tired. He said, "I will plant it tomorrow." Days passed. Finally, out of boredom, he planted both seeds. He told himself, "Let's see what happens. I can always take care of them later." Weeks went by. He forgot about the seeds. He spent his days sleeping, gossiping, and dreaming about success. Then one day, he went to the field. He was shocked. The laziness seed had grown quickly. Thick weeds covered the soil. They spread everywhere, choking the land. And the ambition seed? It was weak, small, almost dying, because it had received no water, no care. Mohan's dream was turning into a nightmare. His uncle returned and saw the field. He said, "Mohan, look at your land. This is your life. Ambition is like a small seed. It needs care, effort, and daily action. Without work, it dies. But laziness grows on its own. It spreads fast and destroys everything in its path. My son, you wanted to be great, but your laziness has already stolen your future." Mohan fell to his knees. He touched the dying ambition seed, and tears filled his eyes. For the first time, he realized the truth. Dreams are not enough. Only action keeps them alive. That night, Mohan could not sleep. He thought about his wasted time, his empty promises, his lost opportunities, he whispered to himself, "If I don't change now, laziness will own me forever." The next morning, before the sun rose, he woke up. He pulled out the weeds with his own hands. It was hard. It hurt his back. His hands bled, but he kept going. He watered the ambition seed. He cared for it every single day. Slowly, the seed grew into a strong plant, and over the years, it became a great tree. A tree that gave fruits, shade, and wealth. Mohan changed too. He was no longer lazy. He became known in the village as the farmer who fought his laziness and won. Dear listener, Mohan's story is not just about farming. It is about life. Every one of us holds two seeds inside. One is ambition, one is laziness. Ambition grows only if you feed it daily, with effort, discipline, and action. Laziness grows by itself, but it destroys your dreams. So, if you are ambitious but lazy, remember Mohan's field. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Water your ambition. Pull out the weeds of laziness, because the longer you wait, the more your dream will die. If you enjoyed this story and learned something valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tales by Eman, and share it with someone who also has big dreams but struggles with laziness. Together, we can grow our ambition and live the life we dream of.